Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta at home. Start by creating a well with 2 cups of all-purpose flour on a clean surface. Crack 2 large eggs into the center, adding a small pinch of salt. Gently mix the ingredients with a fork, gradually incorporating the flour. Once a shaggy dough forms, begin kneading it by hand for about 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. This initial step is crucial for developing the gluten, which gives pasta its delightful chewiness. After mixing, knead the dough vigorously for about 10 minutes. This develops the gluten, making your pasta wonderfully chewy. You'll notice the dough transforming from shaggy to smooth and pliable. Once kneaded, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap. Let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll out later. Now for the fun part. Divide your rested dough into 4 equal pieces. Take one piece and, using a rolling pin or pasta machine, roll it out very thinly. Aim for a thickness of about 1/16 of an inch or about 1.5 millimeters. The thinner you roll it, the more delicate your pasta will be. Then, cut the sheets into your preferred pasta shapes, like classic fettuccine or wide tagliatelle. To cook your fresh pasta, bring a large pot of generously salted water to a vigorous boil. Add the pasta and cook for only 2 to 4 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente firm to the bite. Fresh pasta cooks much faster than dried, so keep a close eye on it. Drain it quickly, then toss immediately with your favorite sauce. Enjoy the incredible taste of homemade pasta.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.